school a couple of years back, and we didn't have a heck of a lot to look at on his variety trial because it was Wyndham and Spectre that survived, and everything else was dead. So again, you know, the plots are a talking point, but the last 2 years we've had every one of his varieties survive. And what's really interesting to me is, and I mentioned it earlier, is that Wyndham did very well, but I think every other variety that he had there out-yielded Wyndham. The neat thing that I did see though was that our error bars on the Wyndham, and that's basically a measure of how much did it vary from rep to rep, was very tight compared to the rest of them. So the Wyndham, again, it sort of confirms that choice of a good variety was the most dependable, but at the same time, in the right circumstances, we have even more potential. So is there something you'd like to talk to about here at all, or?
Just from what you're saying there, it sounds like I have potential for improvement.
Yeah.
And to combine this yield potential that's on the other lines along with the hardy group, we can put the two together.
Yeah.
It's actually promising. We'd like to see.
Yeah. You said there were some green varieties in here too, right?
Yeah. Is that the 1269?
Correct.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
So that's one of the green lines.
It's like one earlier than the rest. There's odd runners.
The 1269 actually is a little bit later than some of the others. I could say that. So the question I just had here was, what's the difference as far as the color of the seed? This green one, spectrum.